Hello and welcome back to a long overdue update video for the Bandai Entry Nippers. Back when I did my first impressions video on this last year, I said I was going to do a follow-up something at some point, and I think at this point I've waited so long I can't exactly just put a comment on the original video, so I'm going to be linking this one. The short answer, they're still working fine. These are really good nippers. They're about 10 bucks. They're a pretty high quality for that price. As you can see, mine haven't oxidized yet, which is good. And despite cutting, let's say like 40 kits with these, there's very minimal shipping of any kind on the actual blades, and I haven't exactly been super kind with these, so they seem to be holding up pretty well. Now, at the risk of repeating myself from my previous video, but honestly it's been so long I don't remember, these have a fairly narrow blade, which is good. They're not like god hand levels, but they're more than adequate to get in around the runners from Bandai kits, which would make sense given, you know, they're made by Bandai. And the thickness of the actual nipper itself actually really helps with the sturdiness of it, because despite having a pretty nice incline for clean cuts, these things are no pushovers. They can actually still cut through thicker plastic. So yeah, there's not really much more to say about these. I still think these are worth the money, and considering how well they're holding up, you won't have to replace them anytime soon. But anyway, that's been all for this review. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, it helps a lot. Subscribe for future reviews and watch my backlog. You can follow me on Twitter for updates, and consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep bringing you reviews, just like this one. And as always, until next time, happy building.